welcome back to Smallhouse Studio. Today, we're excited to take you on a tour of our unique tiny house design. This small house measures just 4 meters by 5 meters but is packed with functional and stylish features. Let's dive right in and explore both the exterior and interior of this charming little home. As you approach the house, you'll immediately notice its distinctive design. The front of the house features a spacious terrace covered with a canopy perfect for relaxation, dining, or hosting guests. A unique aspect of this design is the slightly recessed main door which leads into the kitchen. Additionally, there's a sliding glass door that provides direct access to the bedroom. The terrace is furnished with a table and 2 chairs, creating a cozy outdoor living space. To help you visualize the interior, we've created a 3D design and floor plan complete with measurements, giving you a clear idea of the layout and space utilization. Stepping inside through the main door, you'll find a compact yet fully functional kitchen. The kitchen set is made of wood and includes a stove, oven, mini fridge, and a foldable countertop that can be expanded for additional workspace. There are shelves for dishes and cooking essentials, making the most of the available space. The standard bathroom features a glass-enclosed shower, a sink with a mirror, and a toilet with a seat. The walls are adorned with a blue and white square pattern, adding a touch of style to the space. The floor is finished with elegant granite tiles. The bedroom is cozy but well-appointed with a queen-size bed and a wardrobe for storage. To maximize space, we've installed a sliding glass door that leads directly to the terrace. This not only saves space but also allows you to enjoy the view outside. This tiny house proves that small spaces can be both functional and stylish. If you're interested in compact living or looking for inspiration for your own tiny house design, be sure to watch the entire video for a closer look at the details. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smallhouse Studio for more innovative small space designs and ideas. Thanks for joining us on this tour, and we'll see you in the next video.